Hi guys, here we have a DeLonghi Magnifica which I bought off eBay for 25 quid. Needs servicing apparently, and a couple of days later it has arrived. Just show you here. So what I'm going to do is have a look at it, see what the problem is. But before that, safety, got to check the plug, make sure it's okay, make sure there's no cuts all the way to the machine. And that looks good enough. So what I've got to do now is remove all of these panels. Just remove the screws off the back here, which pretty much holds everything together. And just remove the bean cover, and then take these side panels off. And here you can see me removing this steam button and then the control panel, and I'm just removing the door, diffuser door. There's part of these units up here, and I'm just preparing a bucket of bleach, which I'm going to wash these panels. I'll just leave them to soak while I'm working on the machine. Just put all these panels into the bucket of bleach. Just dip that in there. Let's give it a spray. I'm going to leave this while I'm working on the machine. Back to the machine. Here you can see me just vacuuming there's a lot of coffee inside the machine, a lot of bits of coffee. So I'm just trying to vac that up and get rid of the dust off the machine. And here you can just see me removing the diffuser unit. That's the unit there. And there's still a lot of dust and coffee inside here, which I'll have to clean. So I'll just move this section here, so I can clean it behind it. And here you can see me just removing the coffee grinder unit. Let's give you a quick look at that. That's the hop on the side there. So I'm just going to clean the inside of the diffuser unit, or the brewing chamber. Get it good clean. A lot of coffee stains in there. And here you can see me just removing the infuser unit. You can see the red seal around it, just undone it. And you can see the coffee stains on the top here where it's been brewing over the years. And I'm going to have to get this unit clean. Some of the holes may be blocked. Just picked it up. Just get it clean with some bleach, does the job. And here you can see I've got it nice and clean here, and I'll just show you the other end of the infuser. You see I've cleaned the top of it there. There was coffee stains on there before where it's been brewing, and that's the unit there, fully assembled, the infuser unit. That's clean and ready to go, cleaned around the seal and everything. And this is the diffuser. I've took the screw off of this part here. This is the strainer, and if you have a look on the back, you can see all the burnt on coffee stains. To hold it up to the light, you can see some of the holes are blocked. This is used to drain the coffee, strain the coffee. So I'll just put a bit of bleach around that for a minute and leave it. The bleach tends to break up old coffee stains, so I'll just leave that for a minute. And I've cleaned it, and as you can see, it's a lot cleaner. I'm going to repeat the process. See, it's nice and clean now. All the old coffee is gone. Some of the holes are slightly blocked. Back to the diffuser unit. I'm just going to dismantle it because it's a little bit stiff. Just give it a clean also. See, it's a bit stiff there. I've just got to work on that and get it free, and as you can see here, I've managed to free it off. It's nice and easy now. So I'm just going to reassemble the diffuser unit. Just put the screws back in and put it all back together with the strainer. And here's the grinder assembly. I usually just pour boiling hot water through this to clear it. And as you can see, I've got it nice and clean there. So I'm just reassembling the diffuser unit. Just going to pop this section back in, and then that's the actual diffuser unit there. And as you can see, the tops of the strainer is nice and clean on the top there. So just going to click that in, and you heard that click. That's in place now. And as you can see here, I'm just reinserting the hopper assembly, the grinder, sorry, assembly with its hopper, and just reconnecting the wires. The front panel, I didn't put this in a bucket to soak because it's got some electronic components on it, so I'll clean that manually. Just give that a wipe off, and then I'm just reassembling the diffuser door. Just putting that back on. It's just one hinge that goes through the top when the control panel is removed. And as you can see there, the door's on. So I'm just going to refit this control panel here. 4 screws in the side. And then I'm going to start refitting these side panels and top panels. And that's the water tank I've also cleaned, and that's the unit fully assembled. So first thing I'm going to do, give it a test after I have descaled it a few times. Descaled it, sorry. And that it's ready. I'll just show you around the side here. That's the actual water tank. So what we're going to do is switch the unit on. Then we're going to pop some coffee beans in here into the grinder unit, like so. And now that's done, just a matter of switching the machine on and let it do its thing. And now I'm just going to give it a test. And as you can see, it started the process here. And as you can hear, it's starting to brew the coffee. And that's 1 cup of coffee there. Move on to the next one. So here I'm just going to froth the milk with the steam wand. And then just add the coffee. Just give you a close up there, another angle. And that's pretty much done. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.